How do you envision school in the future? We at Munich International School believe that traditional lessons and subjects will be a thing of the past, replaced by project-based and interdisciplinary learning. Whether on or off campus, with the guidance of teachers or supported by digital platforms, at MIS, students will learn with and from each other. Therefore, they need room to share and develop ideas together, such as the Learning NeXus, a building with 2 open floors and many flexible areas. On the lower level, students can read and research in libraries that support digital and analogue sources. 3 deep learning spaces allow them to work independently while still being supervised by adults. To ensure productive collaboration with their peers, the upper level offers a palette of various areas designed to solve complex and multidimensional problems or even pilot new technologies. Let's give students an innovative, creative place and encourage them to learn together in the best possible way. Because the future of learning begins today with the Learning NeXus.